Here's an idea for lunch or dinner today. Short ribs. Yes, it is good and easy to make. First, season them with salt and pepper on all sides. Add some oil to a hot skillet and put in the ribs. I let them brown until it is nice and golden on both sides. After that, remove it from the heat. Add your onion and season it with salt and pepper, and then next we are going to give it a mix and add that garlic bulb like that. Make sure you put it in the cut side down. Add in a tablespoon of tomato paste and some dried thyme. Add about a cup of red wine and let it reduce down by half. Add in a bay leaf and 2 cups of the stock. Return your short ribs back to the pot. Make sure you add the drippings from the meat in there as well. Let it cook on low for about 5 minutes. Cover it with aluminum foil and place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for approximately 2.5 hours. And this is what you have: delicious, tender, juicy short ribs. Make sure you remove the bay leaf and the garlic bulb out and along with the drippings from that meat. And put it to fine strainer so that you have a beautiful luxurious sauce like that. Put your delicious gravy all over the short ribs and your mashed potatoes.
Full recipe on Instagram at @TryMyChow.
I wanna quit my dead end job and do my own thing.